Now fans of the popular Inside Out movie can learn how to draw Joy in a way that looks just like her. Her shapes have all been simplified, but it's still really easy to see exactly who she is. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to make art for about 20 years now. My favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, making art just might be easier than you think. To make this project, you're going to need a piece of paper, pencil, marker, and crayons. You can also download this step-by-step tutorial using a link in the description below. Step number 1. I've already added center pencil guidelines on my paper, so I'm ready to start. The first shape we're going to draw is Joy's head. I'll make some marks first so you can see how big it is going to be and where it goes. And then I'll slowly connect those marks, making a nice smooth circle. Step number 2. Now the face is added and we can start with those eyes. They are on a slant a little bit and have lines for the bottom, and then large upside down U shapes sit on top, smaller U shapes in the inside, and then even smaller again for the pupils. To finish the face, we just need a small nose and a kind of half smile like this. Step number 3. Joy's head now needs some kind of choppy hair added to it. We can start with the outside shape and make it just a little bigger than her head, and then add some zigzag lines that are kind of like bangs going around her face. When you're done with that drawing, be sure to erase any lines inside. Step number 4. There's one more step to make Joy's hair look a little bit messy. We're going to add a little sprig on top and at least one on the side. This again needs some lines erased when you're finished. Step number 5. Now we can start to add Joy's body and dress. We can start with the neck, add the shoulders and the sleeves, and continue down to the waist. Step number 6. This step is to add the skirt underneath that top. The sides are going to flare out a little bit, and it has a wavy line at the bottom. Step number 7. Joy's arms are bent with her hands at her waist. We can start drawing the right one, and then erase any lines that are inside that hand, and then draw the left one, which looks the same but is just a little closer to her body. Her legs are also pretty easy to draw, seeing as she's barefoot. I'm going to draw the right one first, with the foot pointing to the right, and then the left one with that foot pointing to the left. Step number 8. All right, our drawing is all done, so it's time to bring out that black marker and start going over all those pencil lines. And as I always say, when you're done tracing, it's a really good idea to take a moment to erase any pencil lines that you still see. Step number 9. Here's an easy trick to make those burst patterns on Joy's dress. Use a blue crayon and start to draw them all around. I have about 5 or 6 on this drawing. When you're done drawing those burst patterns, then take a light green crayon and color right over them. You'll find out that those blue lines will still show, but they don't smear. To finish up now, Joy's hair needs to be blue, as well as her eyes. And then her skin is a kind of peach color. Finally, to make her stand out, I think it's nice to add a background color. I'm going to pick something a little bit darker, so I think this purplish blue will do well. All right, our drawing is all done, and now you know how to draw Joy from the movie Inside Out. At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find many more lessons that have taught millions of kids how to draw, including things like Blue from the If movie and Garfield. If you are watching this video on YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can find out as soon as I upload a new lesson.